Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. So guys, today I'm going to come to you with this nice smoky eye. So if you want to see how I do it, continue to watch. So I did went ahead and do my brows off camera, so now I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my lid using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm going to use that to put down as a base before I apply my eyeshadows. This is going to be like a simple makeup routine in which I just apply two shadows because I'll be doing like a smoky eye. So I'll be using one palette to complete it, and it's the Juvias Berries palette. So I'm just going to go ahead, apply two shadows, and that's it. Having a flawless base is key, so I'm ensuring that I blend it out properly before applying the shadows because you don't want to have any lumps or any bumps, any creasing or cracking. I'll place a picture on top of the screen of the two shades that I used to complete this look. And as I said before, this is from the Juvias Berries palette, so I'm just going to be using two shadows and that's it. I'm ensuring that everything is blended because I don't want to have any like cracks and creasing, so I'm ensuring that I put shadows all over my lid and I'm ensuring that it is blended to perfection. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora black liner and I'm gonna use it to create a wing. I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera, so now I'm going to go on and prime my face. So I'm going to be using the Becca matte poreless primer, so I'm going to use that to apply all over my face because I have super oily skin and I want to get rid of all that shine. Now that my primer is on, I'm going to go ahead and move on to foundation, and I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Chai. Now that I'm done applying my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. So I'm going to highlight my face using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm going to place everything in this description of what I used because I don't want to tell you an incorrect shade because I don't remember the shade. And I'll be placing it under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. And also my Cupid's bow. I'm gonna let it sit and dry down for a little bit before I start blending. And because I use the Becca mattifying primer, this gets super matte, so you do not have to wait like a whole 5-10 minutes, just 2 minutes and you're good to go. Because if you let it sit for too long, it will be too hard to blend. After applying the concealer to my highlighted areas, I went ahead and used my foundation brush to blend out the harsh edges before adding the contour. To contour, I'll be using the Marc Jacobs Extra Shot Foundation, and I'll put the shade that I use in the description again, and I'll be using it to carve out my cheek, the sides of my nose to give it that snatched look, and also my forehead to make it appear a bit smaller. I'm gonna go in again with the foundation brush and use that to blend out the harsh edges. To set my highlighted areas, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use a sponge to press it in before going in with a brush to further blend it out. To set my contoured areas, I'm going to be using the black Radiance contour palette. For blush, I'm going to go ahead and use the Berries palette, and don't panic because I put a little too much on my cheeks. I'm going to go ahead and use my foundation brush to blend it out. To finish off my eyes, I'm going to use the two shades that I use on my lids to blend out underneath my bottom lash line. I'm going to use the Maybelline Snapscara to apply to my bottom lashes and also blend my top lashes into the falsies. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray it all over my face. I'm just going to go ahead and do a nude lip using a brown pencil. So I'll use the Anastasia brow pencil along with the Maybelline Lifter Gloss and the Milani Matte Satin lipstick. Here you go, guys. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave all your comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.